Hey guys, and welcome back. Now in this part we are going to discuss Java J button, which are our first component to be discussed for our GUI application. This J button, as you know by the name, it is used for creating a labeled button that is platform independent so that you can use this button in your application when your end user clicks on it and do some work. Okay, so I'm going to show you a simple example for creating a J button, and let's do it. So the first thing which I'm going to do is to import the libraries which we require for creating a button for our application, that is javax.string. To import all such files, you have to use keyword import. Now I'm going to create a simple class for it, and here are in constructor simple. Now I'm going to create an instance for our frame using new keyword. Then now I'm going to create an instance for button. This B is the name of an instance for our button, and inside it in double quotes the click will be shown in our button. Okay, so when we're going to run this program, this click will be shown on our button on our application. Set the boundaries according to you. Now at last I'm going to add this button into my frame, then set the size of your frame of your own, set the layout, set the visibility, and other more functionality into your application. Okay, I did simple thing. Now create a void main method so that when you compile this program and run into it, the first thing the compiler looks for is a main method. So I will call it simple constructor, and that's it. So save this file with extension .java. Okay, once you save the file, now open a directory where you save the file. So I copied the location of my folder where I kept the simple.java file. Now open command prompt and write javac and the name of your file simple.java. It will take a negligible time, and our class file is generated, as you can see on my screen, simple.class, which contains characters which I don't actually in, and write the name of your class name java simple. This is our application which contains a button. Inside a click is written, as I told you before. So this is a simple example for creating a J button. Thank you.